Hello, all of you. Hope you guys are fine. Do you remember the last class what we have done? In the last class, we have converted decimal to binary and binary to decimal. To clear your confusion, I have done the numbers with decimal value as well. Now, today I will not repeat that anymore. Today we'll convert decimal to octal and vice versa. So I'm just rubbing this one. (107). I have written a decimal number. Now to convert into octal number, we'll have to divide that number by 8. As the base of octal is 8. So divide it. I know all of you know dividing. So 8 ones are 8. Okay, 2, 27. 8 threes are 24. Remain is 3. Now again you divide 13 by 8. 8 ones are 8. So remain is 5. Now 107 is a decimal number and its octal is 153. You know that. It starts from the bottom. So it's 153 is the octal number. Is it clear? Again I am repeating. Yesterday we have seen how to convert a decimal number into binary. What we have done in that case to convert it to binary, we have divided it by 2 as the base of binary was 2. Now today we will convert this number into octal number. So definitely we will have to divide that number by its base. So base is 8. So this is how we have divided, and this one cannot be divided anymore by 8. So from here the result starts. Now if the number is with a decimal point, like assume this is 0.45 is there, it's 107.45. This is a decimal number and we need to convert that one into octal number. So what I have to do in this case, we'll have to divide this 107 by 8 and 0.45, this one will have to multiply it by 8. Now to multiply it, what do you have to do? 8 5s are 40. So 0, 4 in hand, 8 4s are 32, 32 4, 36. So we got our first answer, which is 3. Now again you multiply this one by 8. So 800, 8 6 are 48. So we got this 4 is an answer. Remember one thing. You must have to remember one thing. Don't ever multiply this 8 by this 3. If you are doing it, then your answer will be wrong. Always will have to multiply after the decimal point, whatever is there, those values will have to multiply. Now again, this 0.80 will be multiplied. So 800, 8 8s are 64. So this is one of the answer. You can multiply one more. If you don't want to, no problem. Up to 3 is more than enough. So the answer for this one is, it's 153 point. This one starts from the top. 3 4 6. Is it clear, all of you? So we have converted a decimal number to octal number. Now again, I wrote here vice versa. What does it mean? Vice versa means from the reverse one. That means now we'll convert an octal number to decimal number. So assume 124 is an octal number, and we will have to convert this one into decimal number. How you can convert it? So you write this 1 to 4. I have written 1 to 4 is equal to 1 into 8 to the power, how many is left? 1, 2. 8 to the power 2 plus 2 into 8 to the power 1 plus 4 into 8 to the power 0. Very simple. Just like before. What we have seen in case of binary to decimal and decimal to binary. Now here 8 8s are 64, 8 1s are, it's 8 to the power 1 means 8, 8 2s are 16 plus 8 to the power 0 means 1. As I told, anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. So 8 to the power 0 is equal to 1. 1 into 4 is equal to 4. Now you just add it. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. So 1 carry. 6 plus 1, 7. 7, 1, 8. So T4, this is my decimal number. So this is my octal number, and if I convert it, I got this one, my decimal number. Hope you have understood, but again I am repeating for your better understanding. See, this is my octal number. I need to convert into decimal number. So when you are converting, you are changing actually. So you take the first number multiplied by 8. Now there will be a power. What will be the power? How many is left? If you take this one, 1 and 2. This 2 comes here. Plus this 2 is here. Into again 8 to the power, how many is left? 1 is left. Plus this 4 into 8 to the power, there is nothing left. So 0. This is how we got the answer. What if there is a decimal number here? Let's say there is a decimal number 0.52. What will happen then? In that case, you will have to write here plus 5 into 8 to the power minus 1, not 2, the position value. Then plus 2 into 8 to the power minus 2. Now, so here it comes 8 to the power minus 1, that means 1 by 8. So it comes 5 by 8. And this one comes 2 divided by 8 to the power 2, that means it's 64. Okay. So now we will just change it. What if I divide 5, let me do it, 5 divided by 8. We got 0.625. It's 0.625. Then 2 divided by 64. We got 0.03125. Now what you have to do is, we'll have to add all those numbers. Once you add it, we'll get the answer. Thank you very much. Hope all of you understood.